What a big curse is negative attitude in the society. What a big damage the attitude of I can't is doing to the society. Every human life is potential enough to create anything that his heart desires for. But if a wonderfully fertile land is not cultivated with any crop, how would we discover the potential of the soil? If water flowing from a great height is not harnessed for electricity generation, how would we discover the potential of that water? If water is not heated over 100 degrees centigrade, how would anyone discover the potential of that water to run big engines? If diamond is not cut into needed format, how can we discover its ability to dazzle? The same is the case of everyone who do not discover their potentials. In this world, wherein most of the people just live to destroy the beliefs and aspirations of people, not realizing that anyone can do anything and they can only speak about themselves, or they only reflect in the external world with what is there in their internal world. Breaking the barriers of negativism and developing the attitude of I can in any circumstance is not so easy. But that alone can give a breakthrough in our life. It's hard to fight battles of life in continuous discouragement, but we need to shift our focus towards the world that gives us encouragement, the intellectual part of the society. We need to get into that influence till we get a breakthrough. Probably, many people are waging a silent war in themselves, feeling lonely, not understanding why the world is discouraging them, disappointing them. But worrying is not the option. Start doing, start going. You can do your dreams. Experience one such woman beyond all challenges is proving to be magnificent. Would we expect women boxing champions in India? If yes, what would we expect from them to achieve a medal or two, right? She is someone who won 5 world titles, 3 Asian titles, the only boxer to have won a gold medal in each of the 6 world championships. She has 11 national titles under her belt. How do we call her? Magnificent, right? And that is what AIBA International Boxing Association calls her, Magnificent Mary. Truly magnificent Mary Kom. During the time when women boxing was not even familiar to people, which was not even included in Olympics till 2012, with her love towards the sport, developing passion, strong determination, relentless effort, battling against ridicule and pessimism, Mary proved to the world that failure is the one who never took an initiative to try. Failing means not trying. The greatest sin is not believing that what we believe becomes a reality. She was born into a poor tribal family in Manipur. She had to help her parents in fields more. Money was a real challenge for them. Diko Singh winning a gold medal for India in Asian Games inspired her. And without informing her father, she took to practice. Besides school, field work, she practiced, and in just 1 year, she won the state level championship. His father, who was a wrestling champion, did not allow her as it was a dangerous sport which may destroy her face and later she may not get married. The ultimate fear of a father in poverty. But seeing her photograph in a newspaper Winning state level championship in 2000, he accepted after a long convincing. She was ill-treated as discrimination is the disease that is destroying the greatness of our country. She says people coming from foreign countries treat her greatly, but why won't our countrymen and women? Though she became a world champion for 5 times, she was still struggling to get a good sponsor. At one stage, she got married and became a mother of 3 children, giving an opportunity for people to disturb and degrade her more, telling her game is over. But her husband, who helped her in distress when she lost a bag with passport when she was traveling by a train, as she had an international championship in a month. He supported her and encouraged her to face the challenges. She fought back, and behind all odds, she proves to be the most successful boxer, ranking number 4 in the world. She was invited by the president to be a member of Rajya Sabha under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. She was also appointed as a government observer for boxing sport. She is also an animal rights activist fighting to put an end to use of elephants and other animals in circus. She requested to incorporate the program of saving animals in school curriculums, quoting, "It is to be one of the best way to knock out cruelty to animals and to teach compassion to young people." She is also taking care of her training center in Impal. Winner of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award twice in 2007 and 9, winner of Arjuna Award in 2003, Padma Shri in 2006 and Padma Bhushan in 2013. Her autobiography, Unbreakable, is inspiring the globe today. We can't expect a problem-free life, but fight the battle of life and become a victor like Mary Kom, the Magnificent. Thank you.
Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.